Hello and welcome to another session on Cosmic Torch. In this session I am going to recite 4 shlokas from Vishnu Sahasranamam which are to be recited by those born in Bharani Nakshatra quarters 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first, those born in Bharani Nakshatra quarter 1 have to recite this shloka. Swayambhu Shambhuraditya Pushkaraksho Mahaswanah Anadinidhano dhata vidhata dhaturuttamaha. Bharani quarter 2. Aprameyo hrishikesha padmanabho maraprabhu Vishwakarma manustvashtastavishtastaviro dhruvaha. Bharani quarter 3. Agrahya shashvata krishno lohitaksha pratardanaha Prabhutastrika kubdhama pavitram mangalam param. Bharani quarter 4. Ishana pranada prano jeshtah shrestah prajapatihi Hiranyagarbho bhugarbho madhavo madhusudhanaha.